This is a panel discussion. जिसमें every participant, keynote speaker would speak for 10 minutes on the topic of financial inclusion and how they think their institution or university can contribute to this financial inclusion. In the end of keynote presentations, we will have question answers, and we will allow the participant to ask questions as well. So what I will do is I will start from the right side with Abdul Samad, and then we will go from the right to the left side.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, wa aqibatu lil muttaqin, wa salatu wa salamu ala khayri khalqihi Muhammadin wa alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd, a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. I'm really honored to be here, and I congratulate the organizer for organizing such a great event on Islamic finance at this stage when Islamic finance is crying every day. And looking to the agenda of the meeting, a lot will be discussed, and there are speakers available. They will be discussing more, giving you insight about Islamic finance. Therefore, I will just focus on a few points, and that is about the confidence, how to build public confidence, and how to achieve the target of Islamic finance. As mentioned earlier, that about 23% of our total population is banked, and they are part of banking industry. And that 23%, 12% is part of Islamic banking. They are there of Islamic banking industry. So a huge portion of the total population is out from banking industry. And then on the second side, the 12% of the Islamic banking players, they are not satisfied from the Islamic banking services fully. And when we focus on the reasons why they are not satisfied, so the first point coming in my mind is that all industry is required to focus on the training of the front desk officers presently, because they are the people selling our product in the market. So they are not aware about the initials of the product, so they are not able to sell that properly, and that is creating reputation risk for the organization. So we have to focus on that. And second point is that during hiring the employees of Islamic banking, we should focus on the intention and interest and knowledge of the candidate about Islamic banking. Because today we are getting a lot of examples here in the industry that a man is becoming a key person of Islamic finance, and then he's leaving that post and going to another bank, conventional bank, just because of the increase of few thousand rupees in salary. So this is the very important area of Islamic finance presently, and we have to focus on that. We should hire such kind of people for the running of Islamic banking industry, that they should always remain part of the Islamic banking industry, and their priority should be Islamic banking. So we need to focus on that one. And for that, of course, the basic knowledge of Islamic finance is very basic requirement. And as now the organizations are available trying to combine both knowledges in one person, like to know about the financing and also to know about the banking and Sharia'h also. Before, yes, there were gray area, and people were thinking that yes, there are Sharia'h scholars knowing about Islamic banking, but there are bankers knowing about banking. But how to combine these two in one? How to bring these two together? And now, alhamdulillah, there are organizations available providing such kind of people to the industry that they know banking also and they know Sharia'h also. So we have to focus on the basic knowledge of the person during the hiring of the Islamic banking employees. And such kind of people will become basic asset to Islamic banking. Fourthly, of course, trade is permissible in Sharia, and we are doing tradable activities in the Islamic banking industry presently. In Murabaha and Ijara, these are permissible mode of finance available. Of course, we can utilize that for so many purposes, and we are utilizing that also. But to achieve the main goal in socio-economic justice, and we can say the circulation of wealth, which is the basic aim of Islamic finance, for that we have to convert our activities from the tradable modes to the participatory mode also. And we should focus on that area also. And fifthly, that the organization, Islamic finance industry are required to work on the activities which are according to the maqasid sharia. Because putting one transaction in the framework of convention and then highlighting the major issues in that one, that there is gharar and there is interest and there is this and that, and then eliminating those things from the transaction, and then providing that transaction to the people under the umbrella of Islamic finance is keeping us away from the maqasid sharia. So if it is decided that the conventional banking system is interest-based system, and we are in the position to provide another system to the people. So for that we need to not to put our structures in the framework of the convention. On the other side, they should put their transactions and their structure in the framework of Islamic, and that will be enabling us to achieve the socio-economic justice and the basic purpose of Islamic finance. These are my points I share with you. Thank you very much. Jazakallah.